Top story that we are following here on India Today. A big update is coming in the Nirav Modi extradition case. India has assured UK ahead of the key hearing. India has told UK Nirav Modi will face trial. India has also told the United Kingdom Nirav Modi will not be questioned. He will be lodged in Arthur Road Jail. Earlier, UK officials had visited Tihar Jail. This is a big update which is coming in the Nirav Modi case. My colleague Shreya Chatterjee is now joining me. Shreya, this is a big breakthrough. The statements that are coming in at the moment, it is India that has given an assurance to UK ahead of the key hearing in the Nirav Modi case.
Well, absolutely, Aishwarya. Big breaking that is coming in the Nirav Modi extradition matter. The Indian government has given a letter of assurance, which is also a sovereign guarantee to the UK by the Crown Prosecution Service that Nirav Modi will not be taken into custody or questioned in the PNB case. He will only be facing trial. A similar letter of assurance was given for Mehul Choksi as well. Now, it is being suggested that on the 23rd of November is when the matter for his extradition will be heard. Remember, in 2022, Nirav Modi has extinguished all his possibilities to escape the entire extradition process. So clearly, news tightens around Nirav Modi, and it's one step forward with this letter of assurance being given by the Indian government. If he is extradited, he will be lodged in the Arthur Jail. 12 number barrack in Mumbai is what the Indian government has also written in this assurance letter that they have given by the CPS, which is the Crown Prosecution Service.
Thank you, Shreya, giving us all those details. An assurance has been given by India to the United Kingdom with regards to the case that will be trialed in India against Nirav Modi.